and I work with it to engrave some rings, for example, or to set stones in rings, for example. Then you put inside here the ring or the jewelry, and you put this one inside here, and then it's fixed. The same we can use for our frame. That means you take this one here, exactly middle, put it in, and then you are able to bend. You are able to bend on the long way. That means, for example, like this. You see, it's much more bended than the other side. And it's possible to bend like this. It's very, very easy because we have a very perfect hold with my hand here. You see? It's totally different. And if you have a look at it very near, you see maybe there's no sign on the top of this Teflon. This Teflon is made out of two ideas. First idea, to adjust. Second idea, not to glue at the hair on after the ear. The woman will be very happy with it. So I bend it back. In this Teflon there is a titanium, a pure titanium inside inlay, temple tip, and this make possible to bend it. You see? You can do it like this. But please look not to bring pressure on this part. This is a part where the screw is inside, where it's a connecting of this temple tip. So that's it. To make another inclination with these frames, it's absolutely easy. You take it and you bend it down. You see? It's a totally different inclination to this temple. Do it here, same. Now both is inclinated. It looks very easy. It's a little bit harder, but I have very strong fingers. I bring it back. Okay, the other thing, if you want to make a smaller head inside, you take it here. You can take it with your fingers or with your tongue, anytime again on those parts, and then you take it like this. You see? It comes together. Same here. Now it's parallel. Before it was like a little bit outside. I think a little bit outside is better. And you have both possibilities. If you have a very large head, you can bring it outside more and more. You test how it lies. Okay, here we have to adjust again a little bit. The other side. Put it in, move it down, move it like this. And it's perfect. Here we have the buffalo horn front with a carbon temple. It's exactly the same. Inside this place we have a titanium connection part again. If you have to go out more, then it may be that you have to cut some material out of this buffalo horn on the front part to get more place. But if you don't like to do it, please send it to us. We will help you and we will do it for you. No problem. To exchange these temples, if you have to order a shorter or a longer one, you take away these two screws. And then afterwards, these two screws. But first the front screws and then the temple screws. You can take out anything because it's not glued, it's screwed. For the pads, there we have different thickness which we sent you in the spare part box. If you look to the packages you get from us, you get some tools like the screwdriver, like this holding tool, and you get a little box with screws inside, pads, nylon pads, buffalo horn pads, rubber pads like this. Everything is inside. If you use some more, need some more, please give us a mail and we'll send it to you. I hope I explained everything which you have to know with our collection, and I wish you a very good success with our line, and I'm happy to see you again. Bye.